More than 800 new laws went into effect in Texas this month, and many of them pertain to how our schools operate. These laws impact you and your children, and we want to make sure we follow the law while also making sure your children are taken care of while in our care. Senate Bill 12 is referred to as the Parental Bill of Rights. It contains several new policies or adjustments to policies, but today I want to bring your attention to the healthcare portion. As a parent, you now have to opt in or opt out of certain health-related services we offer students. This pertains to things like administering over-the-counter medications or counseling services. Parents cannot opt out of emergency responses or other rights required by law. But without your guidance on non-emergency health issues, our nurses and administration legally can't take action when a health-related situation arises. So, here's how it will work. You will need to log into Skyward and make your selections, and you can do that now. You have until October the 10th to make your selections. If you don't make your selections by October the 10th, you will see a pop-up letting you know you must complete your selection before accessing Skyward. This is important. We don't just need your participation, it's required by law. Please continue to partner with us as we work together to provide a safe and helpful learning environment for your children. I'll see you around our district.